So I've been approached by so many insurance agents, even outside Aga Khan Hospital when I've gone to visit somebody, a patient. And honestly, it's exhausting. So what I end up doing is just thanks, no thank you, no thank you. So I want to know about life insurance, and that's what we're going to cover today. From a person I trust, this is Money Wise with Rina Hicks, where we create, grow, and preserve wealth. Alex, as I introduced to you, Alex Mungai is a founder and MD of a company called Moran Capital, and he has been in the insurance industry for a very, very long time and understands it more than anybody I know, and he's truthful and honest, and so he's the person I'm going to be asking this question. Do I really need life insurance? Do we really need life insurance?
Principally, yes, because life insurance is an element of covering you to achieve your goals in the future. Now, put it this way, there are some people who may not need it. Okay, why? Because they already have assets to cover their families in the event they were not there. For you and me, we are starting out life, and I'm not saying I depend on somebody. I didn't start out with lots of land and wealth like the prince. I've started out life as myself, so I'm gaining assets from day one. I'm trying to build assets. Yes. Now you understand that, and in this Kenya, trying to buy a piece of land requires that you already have a saved up amount of money. Mm-hmm. Right? Now, not everybody is starting out with a saved up amount of money. So if I die today, all my dreams are gone. For my children, for my wife, all those dreams are gone. Mm-hmm. All right? Now, to make these dreams happen, to make them valid, the way to do it, if you're not sitting on tons of assets, daddy and mommy didn't leave you a big pile of cash, or you didn't do a tender and therefore have come across some immediate cash, how else do I make sure that my goals will be realized in the event I was not there? That's where life insurance comes in, because it says from day one, when you start paying the premiums, if you end up dying 2-3 months down the road, the amount that is assured to you there for your family is payable. Therefore, for example, I've taken an insurance cover of 5 million, a million, 100 million. I've seen guys paid 40 million. So I've taken that amount as assurance that if I died, that asset would transfer to my family immediately. Mm-hmm. So what happens is, I may not have those assets to take care of them in the future, but from today, I take a life insurance policy. I already have an asset for my family if I die. So I don't need the land. I already have a life insurance policy.
So you're saying that life insurance is actually an asset?
Yes.
Okay, that's interesting. I've never looked at it that way. So the only thing is that I have to wait until I die. Death has to happen for my family to benefit, or for me to benefit from the policy.
Okay, I don't mean to make it very dark, and that's not wholly true. It is true to some extent, it's not wholly true, because there are really various types of life insurance. Okay. There are those that pay out in the event you die. For example, term life, what is called pure life. It essentially pays if you die. But then there is what you call endowment. Okay? Mm-hmm. Endowment is both life insurance and a savings. So in the event I have not died, luckily, in the next 10 years, at that end of the 10 years, what you call the maturity, there is a sum which will be paid to me. Okay. While I am alive. So that's why you hear some people saying, get an endowment policy, it's good for your family and for you. Because the other one is good for your family. This one is good for you and your family.
Okay, we'll just hold it there, because I want us to discuss those two in a bit more detail. Please stay tuned, subscribed. We're going to be looking at term life as well as endowment policies that exist in the market. This is Money Wise with Rina Hicks, where we learn how to create, grow, and preserve wealth.